Well, that screen's pretty dirty right there. Let's hope that's what's causing our tractor to overheat. In case you're wondering what this stick's for, it keeps my battery from sliding in that screen. There's nothing else to hold it. This tractor's been a good tractor, but they sure didn't make anything easy to get to. You would think stuff like this that's gonna have to be cleaned regularly would be easy to get to. But no. Oh, shoot. You just can't get it out of there without bending it. Well, that's only part of the problem. Look how dirty the radiator is. That may be why it's getting hot, reckon. I bet that'll help it run cooler. Sure had a lot of dirt in it. I don't think I got it all, but I got the best I could with that dadgum front end on that thing. Well, let's see if it overheats. Well, y'all, got those blueberries mowed. Only took me 12 hours to get that field mowed. So, a little shower came, gave me a little break. Now I'm gonna get out there and plow up that fruit plot I showed you before it gets too hot. That sun's out now, and man, I tell you what, it's getting hot quick. Yeah, you can see we got the rows mowed in between the bushes, in between the rows there. But now we got to get in there and get them weeds and grass out of the plants, cut out any trees and stuff that might be growing. And any dead plants we'll be digging up this winter, and we'll be putting new plants in their place. We're going to take up some back there. There's a couple of varieties. Oh well, actually I take that back. There's only one variety, but I'm going to pull it up and put some new ones in its place. I think they're getting pretty old. One thing I'll show you right here real fast before we get up there. You can see we got some dead bushes in here. Nothing. This one here is starting to die. You see how the leaves are starting to turn brown on the tips? That's from a lack of water. So more than likely what happened was is that this end right here either got clogged up with some sand out of the well. We have a lot of iron in our water too. Iron can clog up a dripper. But 9 times out of 10 when something like that happens and we get a little line of dead bushes like this or an individual dead bush in through there, we've either got some sort of little bug or a spider that clogs up the dripper. So during July and August, even September when it's real hot, you got to watch those drippers. If they clog up, man, you'll lose some plants. We lose probably, I don't know, around 100 a year just from some sort of bug. Well, we got it all busted up. All we need is a little feed and some fertilizer now, and more rain, Lord willing. The mosquitoes are about to tote me off. I'm headed to the house.